What is MLOps model governance and compliance? Imagine building a machine learning system that helps decide who gets a loan or predicts medical diagnoses. Now, how do we make sure that system is trustworthy and follows rules? That's where MLOps model governance and compliance come into play. Think of it as a set of rules and checks that keep our AI models honest, safe, and fair. It involves setting policies on how models are created, used, and maintained. These policies help prevent mistakes or misuse that could cause harm or legal trouble. One key part of governance is versioning and documentation. Every change made to a model, like updates or retraining, is recorded. This creates a clear history so we can see what was changed, when, and why. It helps us reproduce results and troubleshoot if something goes wrong. Access control is another important piece. Only authorized team members should be able to modify or deploy models. This is often managed with role-based access control, which assigns permissions based on a person's role. It keeps the system secure and prevents accidental or malicious changes. Before putting a model into production, it must be tested and validated thoroughly. This step ensures the model performs well and doesn't introduce bias or errors. It's like quality control for AI. Once in use, models need continuous monitoring. This means tracking how well they perform over time. If accuracy drops or data patterns change, alerts can trigger retraining or adjustments. This keeps the model reliable and accurate. Regulations and laws also shape governance. For example, in finance or healthcare, models must meet strict standards. Protecting personal data and avoiding unfair bias are top priorities. Organizations often conduct fairness assessments and document how they handle sensitive information. Roles and responsibilities are clearly defined too. Data scientists develop models, while MLOps engineers handle deployment. Compliance officers make sure all rules are followed. Everyone knows their part, which keeps the process organized. Finally, auditabilities and reporting are vital. Detailed logs and reports show how models make decisions and what checks were performed. This transparency is essential for regulators and internal reviews. In essence, MLOps model governance and compliance act as the safety net for AI systems. They make sure models are built responsibly, deployed securely, and operated ethically. As AI becomes more embedded in daily life, these practices help maintain trust and accountability. They ensure our AI tools work fairly, safely, and in line with legal standards throughout their entire lifecycle.